Hey friends, if you encounter Windows File Explorer crashing problem, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So there can be two causes behind it. The first is an issue with the process and the second one is an issue with the system. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and then go to Task Manager and let it load. Right click on Windows Explorer, select Restart here. The next solution is to perform a disk cleanup. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and open disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. Click on OK and then select delete files. And also update Windows. So right click on the start button. Select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and check for updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.